Hello again and welcome back to this tutorial on how to use Libby to borrow ebooks through our e-catalog. This is part 3 of a 3-part video series where in part 1 we showed you how to install and set up your library card. In part 2 we showed you how to explore and navigate through our e-catalog, and in part 3 we will show you how to borrow and read and listen to ebooks or audiobooks. To start off, I'll show you how to borrow a title. I'll borrow both an available book and an audiobook. Tap the borrow button and borrow again on your preferred library card. You'll see a download wheel on the left indicating it is downloading now. Any items you borrow and download will be available to read or listen to on the same device even when you're not connected to the internet. You can have up to 10 titles on hold and you can borrow up to 15 titles for a checkout time of up to 21 days. You can choose to return your items early, but don't worry about overdue items. They will simply be removed from your account after the loan period. You can immediately hit the open book or open audiobook. If you're borrowing an ebook, it will ask you where would you like to read. Make sure you select Libby. Here's how you navigate through an ebook. Open the ebook of your choice. You can tap on the left or right of your screen or swipe left and right to flip through pages. There's also a timeline located at the bottom of your screen to quickly select your desired page by swiping left and right, and a chapter selections tab right above. To bookmark and save your progress, pop up your menu options by tapping in the middle of your screen. This is if you're in the middle of reading an ebook, and tap on the bookmark tab at the top right. To view the bookmarks, tap on the Bookmarks and Highlights tab next to the Bookmarks tab. To change the font style and text size, tap on the capital A located at the top and choose your desired font. To search for keywords, tap on the magnifying glass at the top. This is useful when you want to go back and see when a key term was mentioned. And that's how you navigate through an ebook. Now moving on to audiobooks. When you open an audiobook through Libby, you will notice 2 timelines, one at the top and one at the bottom. There are multiple ways you can forward and rewind an audiobook. One way is dragging the bottom timeline to the left to move forward or right to rewind. Another way is to forward or rewind by increments of 15 seconds by these buttons here. You can select chapters by tapping on the Chapters tab here and tapping on whichever chapter you'd like. You will notice numbers besides the Chapter tab. These indicate how many minutes you have left until the next chapter, on the right, and how many minutes you are into the current chapter, on the left. You can click on these to skip to the next chapter or restart the current chapter. If you accidentally move forward or backwards and don't remember where you left off, there is a redo button indicated by the hand pointing left or right. You can also place a bookmark to mark your progress by tapping on the Bookmarks tab at the top right. To view your bookmarks, tap on the tab next to the Bookmark tab. You can choose your playback speed by pressing the clock icon at the top and selecting your preferred speed. And that's it for audiobooks. To go back to the e-catalog and browse some more, simply hit the back button located at the top left and tap on the Library tab. To view your loans or see what you have on hold, tap on the Shelf tab at the bottom right. To go back to the current audiobook playing or ebook, hit the round icon displaying the book cover art. To add more library cards or add a different library card system, tap on the icon located at the top right and select your option there. Here, for example, I'll add a Yolo County Library Card. I will tap Add Library and search for Yolo County. And this will take me to their library e-catalog and now expanding my digital collection. I hope you find this guide helpful. For more information or have any questions regarding this video or any other library programs, visit our website at yolocountylibrary.org for contact information.